Welcome to Lizbee Kitchen. Today we are going to prepare delicious potato tomato curry which goes great with chapati, poori and bhatura. It is pretty simple to make as well. So please watch the entire video. Subscribe our channel. Click the bell icon to get notifications. So let us go through the video. We are going to prepare this curry in a pressure cooker. For that, heat some oil in the cooker. Add in half teaspoon of mustard seeds. Let the seed sizzle for a minute. Now we are going to add 1 chopped onion and 2 green chilies. Cook till golden color. Now the onions are golden. Add 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste. Saute till raw smell goes off. Now add 3 finely chopped tomatoes and cook till oil separate. For that I close the cooker with a lid. Now we are going to add some spice powders, half teaspoon of turmeric powder and 2 teaspoon of Kashmiri chili powder. Saute for 5 seconds in low flame. We took 3 medium sized potatoes for this curry. We peeled it and cubed. Add in potatoes to the cooker. Add 1 teaspoon of salt and enough water. Mix well. Now close the cooker and pressure cook for 3 whistles and then simmer for 5 minutes. Let the steam go all by itself. Now open the cooker. Switch on the flame. Add 1 teaspoon of garam masala powder. Mix well. Now add few coriander leaves. Mix well and switch off the flame. This is a really delicious potato tomato curry which goes great with poori or bhatura.